Hey there, I'm Bret Johnson, and if you're thinking about selling your home in the Phoenix metro area, you're in the right place. This workshop is going to show you how to get the most money for your home without the stress, delays, or costly guesswork. Let's get started. Over the past 20 years, my team and I have helped more than 2,000 families in the Valley sell with confidence. I'm the co founder of Realty Network Group, and everything we do is built around one mission to make real estate really easy and really profitable for sellers like you. Most sellers, they wing it, they guess on price, throw it on the market, and just hope someone bites. And that usually leads to low offers, endless showings, and tons of stress. You deserve better. That's exactly what this system delivers. Our system is called the VIP Seller Advantage, a proven step by step roadmap to pricing, preparing, and promoting your home to attract serious buyers and strong offers. This isn't theory, it's the same process we've used to help homes sell in as little as one day for above the full asking price. Today, you'll learn the number one pricing mistake Phoenix sellers make, which repairs add value and which ones don't, easy staging tips that get buyers emotionally invested, and finally, our entire seller success roadmap from start to finish. Here's the truth: price is a marketing tool. The wrong price scares off buyers or invites low ball offers. The right price, it creates urgency and drives demand. I'll show you how we use recent comps, active competition, and buyer psychology. If you price it right from day one, you don't need to fully remodel to sell for top dollar. In fact, most upgrades don't pay you back. We'll go room by room to highlight simple fixes that actually boost value and skip the ones that don't. Staging isn't about furniture, it's about emotion. Buyers don't just buy homes, they buy feelings. We'll show you how to create a clean, inviting vibe that makes your home feel irresistible by using our signature checklist. Okay, so marketing matters. We use professional photography, social syndication, targeted ads, and a massive buyer database to generate real demand. It's not just about getting views, it's about getting serious offers. Our buyer and waiting database has over 32,000 pre registered buyers actively looking in the Phoenix area. That means we often have matches before your home even hits the market. Are you looking to avoid showings or the stress of preparing the home to go on the market? Or do you need to sell quickly? We can provide a cash offer in 24 hours. No open houses, no waiting. It's just one of the flexible paths we offer, depending on your goals. Here are just a few of the families we've helped. Many sold above their asking price, some sold off market, but all sold with less stress. These results come from following the same system I'm sharing with you today. This isn't a one size fits all template. When we meet, I'll walk your home with you, review your goals, and map out a plan to get you the most money in the least time. It's a free strategy session with zero pressure. Whether you're selling next month or next year, let's talk. We'll review your options, run the numbers, and outline the smartest way to prep your home with or without me. No sales pitch, just solid strategy. Selling your home is a big deal. Do it right, and it can set you up for what's next. Do it wrong, and you risk leaving tens of thousands on the table. Let's make sure you get the results you deserve. Book your free consultation today. Here's how to get in touch. Click the link below to book your strategy session or just shoot me a quick message. I look forward to helping you move forward with clarity, confidence, and cash in your pocket. Thanks for watching.